Hi, I'm Julia. If you're tired of posting your reels one platform at a time, Instagram, then TikTok, then YouTube, this video is for you. Let me show you how to link your Instagram and TikTok accounts and post your reels across platforms in one go using Circleboom Publish. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to Circleboom Publish. Once you're in, you'll see options to connect Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Threads, LinkedIn, and more. Then click on Instagram Specific or Reels from the homepage. From there, select the Reels section. Now you're ready to start posting. Choose the accounts you want to post to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or even Facebook if you've connected it. Then drag and drop your reel video into the media bar. Once uploaded, write your caption. You can keep it simple or tailor it for different audiences across platforms. When you're ready, click Next to preview your reel. Everything look good? Then hit Post Now to publish instantly. Or use Schedule to post at the best time for engagement. Circleboom finds the optimal posting times for each platform based on your audience activity, so your content gets seen more. And that's it. Your reel is now live on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, all at once. No more switching apps, no more uploading the same video over and over. With Circleboom, you can schedule once and go everywhere. See you in the next video. Happy Circlebooming!